Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this official websites. After that, right hand side you can see this is search icons. Just click on it. Then enter your model number of motherboard B860M Gaming X WiFi6E and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Then you can see this is 1.0 and 2.0. So both motherboard, if we are using any, but driver installations process same. Select any, then click on support. So guys, first select, then select your operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. Audio driver, and you can see this is audio driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Scroll down, chipset. So first required this one, Intel Management Software Engine, and click to download. After that, serial driver, this is also important for this, and click to download icon. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver you can say, and this is download icon to download. After that, slow down, VJ driver, display driver you can see this one, and click to download. Then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click to download both one by one. After that, you click on this download icons, it will downloading one by one. So first it is completed, then click on this icons to open. Where it is downloading, it will open, then show you how to install this driver to your motherboard. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations, just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, we can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one, right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this, right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver, and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back. Then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back. Then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back. Then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver, this is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.